How are you? I hope you all are well and healthy. Now, today in this lecture, we will discuss about the chemical properties of metals. The chemical properties of metal. We have already discussed about what happens when a metal reacts with air. Air means oxygen. I am again repeating, when a metal reacts with air, oxygen, it forms a metal oxide, and in this reaction, hydrogen gas will be released. Now, today in this lecture, we will discuss about what happens when a metal reacts with water. Now, come to the point. When a metal reacts with water, it forms a metal oxide and hydrogen gas released in this process. Now, come to the point. Second is reaction with water. When a metal reacts with water H2O, it forms metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Now, like example of metal, example of a sodium metal react with water. Sodium metal is a very highly reactive metal. It reacts vigorously with water. सोडियम मेटल बेटा बहुत तेजी से रिएक्ट कर लेती है वाटर के साथ. सो ये रीजन है, इसका रीजन इट स्टोर इन केरोसिन. इसीलिए सोडियम को केरोसिन में स्टोर रखा जाता है. नाउ सोडियम रिएक्ट विद वाटर, इट फॉर्म Na connect with hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecule. So it forms two molecules of sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas will be released. It is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Now, same as next is zinc react with water molecules. They connect to each other and form zinc oxide and hydrogen gas will be released. So again I am repeating, when a metal reacts with water, it forms a metal oxide and in this process hydrogen gas will be released. Like example, sodium is a very highly reactive metal. It reacts vigorously with water. So it's the reason it keeps stored in kerosene. So sodium connects with water molecules and form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas will be released. Next, zinc react with water and form zinc oxide and hydrogen gas will be released. Now, the next topic is reaction with acid. Next topic is reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. What happens when a metal reacts with acid? So, when a metal reacts with acid, it forms dilute sulfuric acid, dilute